Dear students, good afternoon. In previous video, students, you see the five kingdom system which is given by the Whittaker sir. In 1969, you learn about the Protista, general characters, and you learn about the Monera, general characters. After that, you learn the kingdom fungi. We learn the general characters of the fungi. Students, you see the different types of the fungus in our environment. First of all, you see which is the color found in the fungus. That is acrophilous type. It means there is no chlorophyll. It means you can say they cannot make our food himself. They are dependent for the food, the different organisms. So it is maybe the heterophytic type of the mode of nutrition, and it may be the two types. First is the saprophytic and second is the parasitic. So the mode of nutrition in the fungus is the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Because they have no chlorophyll, they cannot make their food. So again character, that is the heterophytic mode of nutrition, divided into two parts, that is parasitic and saprophytic. And third character is the thyroid organism. It means there is no shape and size of the different body part. There is no, you can say, then where is the head and where is the tail. There is no differentiation of the whole body. So the fungus or structure is the thyroid type. That is maybe any structure. That may be this type of structure. That may be this type of structure. There is no head and there is no tail division. So again character is the spore producing. The fungus producing lot of spores for the reproduction. They make usage in the spore formation, and it's having the two types of the reproduction found, asexual and sexual mode of reproduction. After that you learn about what is the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction which can take place in the fungus kingdom. So students, again the different types of the cosmopolitan fungus found in our environment. It means you can say the fungus is found everywhere, as you found in the sea, as you see in the river, as you see in your land, as you see in the moist places, as you see in the household materials, as you see in your bottles which you take the water. So you can say the fungus is found everywhere there moist is found. After that, the different types of the spores producing organism, heterotrophic mode of nutrition, the different types of the abundant warm and humid conditions are found. So students, again you learn about the different types of the hyphae are found in the fungus. This is the structure of hyphae. This is the structure of hyphae. And this is another structure of hyphae. Another structure of hyphae. You can say this is divided into different parts. This is divided into different parts. That is called the septate hyphae. Septate hyphae. And this is divided, no division. Nucleus are found everywhere. So it is called the concise hyphae. Concise hyphae. So students, you see Cenocetic hyphae. Syncytic hyphae. So students, you can say the hyphae are divided into two different parts in different types of the groups which is found in the fungus. That is the first septate hyphae and second is the Syncytic hyphae. Septate hyphae is divided in the part, and that is the cell wall and that is the nucleus. And there is no division of the septa, and so that this is nucleus and there is no division. This is called the Syncytic type of the hyphae. Again students, you learn about the reproduction in the fungus. How reproduction takes place in the fungus. Reproduction takes place in the fungus. First is the asexual type. And second is the sexual type. Students, you see the asexual type of reproduction, that is see in the diagram. You see here the spore. Spore means N. N means haploid number. Haploid number means N. It means number of chromosomes is half. So half. And diploid means 2N. And again you learn what is the dikaryotic stage. Dikaryotic stage N plus N. So students, you see these symbols, that is N is the haploid, 2N is the diploid, and N plus 1 is the dikaryotic stage. So students, you see in the diagram asexual reproduction, that is spore N, and here you see the mycelium. Again the word is the mycelium. What is the mycelium? Mycelium is a part, different types of the hyphae make together a mycelium. You see in the hyphae, and different and lot of amount of the hyphae make together, making the mycelium. This is the structure of mycelium, and one is the hyphae. So students, here you see a mycelium, and mycelium is the reproducing spore reproduction structure N, and after that is converted into N, that is the asexual reproduction. After that they germinate the spores, that is the asexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, mycelium is the, again you divided into plasmogamy. It means plasma is here divide. Fusion of plasma, or you can say plasma is divide, or you can say the fusion of plasma. And here you see the karyogamy. Karyogamy means fusion of nucleus. So students, you see here the mycelium is divided. Where is fusion of plasma membrane. After that dikaryotic stage is found. It is divided into a haploid number of chromosomes. After that fusion of the karyogamy, the nucleus is divided, and that is found the diploid stage. Diploid stage means 2N structure. here 2 chromosomes, and after that meiosis takes place. After that 4 structures, spore producing structure is formed, and then spore is formed. So you can see here the asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. About the how asexual reproduction takes place in fungus and how sexual reproduction takes place in fungus. After that you learn about the different types of the divisions of the fungus. There are 4 different parts of the fungus. That is, first the phycomycetes. First is phycomycetes. Second is ascomycetes. Third is basidiomycetes. And last 4 is deuteromycetes. So students, you see the 4 types of the fungus divided. Division of fungus. Here is found phycomycetes, that is the algal fungi. Algal fungi, also known as algal fungi, because it's having the algae and they are having the 2 types, that is the oogocytes and the second is the zygocytes. So oogocytes having the cell wall is the made up of the cellulosic type, and it's having the development of the food itself. So you can say the algal fungi is the different of 3 others. And second is the sac fungi. Sac fungi. The second is the sac fungi. It means it's having the sac-like structure, sac-like fungus, and this structure is sac-like, this like structure. You see here sac-like structure. And third is the club fungi. Club fungi. And fourth is pseudo fungi. Fungi imperfecti. It means, why you call the imperfecti? Because there is no clear of the sexual reproduction today. So it's found only asexual reproduction. Students, you see the 4 groups which is found in the fungus. First is the phycomycetes, second is the ascomycetes, third is the basidiomycetes, and fourth is the deuteromycetes. This having the different names for the algal fungi. The second is the sac fungi, third is the club fungi, and fourth is the fungi imperfecti. So students, you see the different groups, and these having the different groups having the different types of the species, having a lot of species. So you can read one by one the another chapter, another topic. Thank you so much, students.